Hey there, maybe this is the first time running your business. I'm absolutely excited for you. What if I told you there is a way of getting in front of your customers, ready to serve and take their orders in less than 10 minutes? In fact, by the end of this video, you're going to be ready to start selling your products almost immediately. So before we begin, I need to make sure you have the following items. Do you have a WhatsApp account? Do you have a phone with data? Do you have some photographs of your products? If you have all of those, congratulations, you're ready to start. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your basic shop and how to share on social media, and then you're off to go. Just get started.
First, enter Take.App on your browser. Next, type in the WhatsApp number associated with your business, or you can use your personal number. Now it's time to introduce yourself to the world. Fill in your shop name and description details, such as what you do, your opening hours, where your location is, and most importantly, your payment options. Then select the category of your business. Do you have a physical location? Drop that in to the delivery and pickup location. This way, when your customers need to pick up their goods, they know where to find you. If you have delivery options, fill in your minimum order for delivery and minimum order for free delivery. And if not, offer a flat delivery fee. Sometimes you may not allow for delivery of pickup, so make sure you tick the box if some of these options are not available.
Under Advanced Settings, I can send a message to my customers. In this particular case, I want them to send their payment via Pay Now, Payla, or bank transfer. You can also incorporate any other important instructions for your customer in this section. Other options we include are tax, discounts, and order forwarding to other WhatsApp numbers. This is the questions section. Here you can ask your customers essential questions. You have 4 choices of questions, including time, date, text input, and choices. Example questions you can ask include halal, vegetarian, or packaging options. And here comes the fun part. Adding items to your catalogue. The most essential options you have are adding the name, the price and availability, and images. Under details, you can add more items to your catalogue, or you can go into a bit more detail for each different item. Be sure to have a few images of your items available. To add the images, go to Images and then Upload. Then scroll to your product catalogue and click the plus button. Then select the image. After navigating to the bottom of the page and clicking Save, congratulations, your store is now live. Be sure to share your store on your social media accounts or at Hawkers United Davao. And this is what your finished store would look like. There will be more updates coming soon. We're excited to see what you make of it.
And there you have it. In less than 10 minutes, you're up and running and ready to sell. Like this video, please give us a like, and if you want to hear a deeper dive into Take.App, please subscribe to this channel. We will definitely be dropping that video in the next coming weeks. And if you have any friends or family who may be dipping their toes into starting their own business, please share this video with them. This is a fantastic way to get them started into the world of starting your own business. And guys, we invite you to take this and go. The link is in the description below and above my head for you guys to sign up. So I'll see you on the other side. Just take this opportunity and go.